A lot of Faceless accounts are getting very popular, especially in the digital marketing space where you are selling master resale rights program. So if you're scrolling around Instagram and you see a lot of these accounts here, they are monetizing big time. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create these reels for free, either on Canva or with your phone. Okay, so you want to log into Canva. If you don't have Canva, it is completely free to sign up. If you are planning to do digital marketing, create digital products in the long term, I would recommend for you to purchase the Canva Pro because there's a lot more elements that you can use. It looks a lot nicer and you'll just be a better designer getting the Pro version. However, you can create Faceless content using the free version, okay? So you want to create design, you want to look for Instagram Reels, or you can search it here. Okay, click on that. You want to go into elements and search for aesthetic videos. You can go see all. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Now, if it doesn't fit, you can manually stretch it till it fits the entire page there. Or what you can do is click on the actual video, click on the three dots, and go to set video as background. And there you have it. You have a video. Okay, so what you want to do is also shorten it to about 5 to 7 seconds long. The reason being is when you download it, it's not such a big file. Plus, a lot of Faceless content that you see nowadays on Instagram that are doing digital marketing, it is a very short video with a text on here, which is called a hook. Next is you want to go to add a text box and create a text. So here you want to put your hook. So a hook is either you talking or it's through caption, and you are enticing your potential viewer to click onto your post. So I will put how I grew my account from 0 to 100,000 followers under 2 weeks. Okay. Now, if I was someone that wanted to grow my account, this hook here would make me want to click on that account because I would be like, I want to grow my account too. Now I want my text to stand out, so I'm going to put a background to my text. So I'm going to go into effects and click on background here, and you scroll down and you pick a color. So I'm going to pick white. Now if you want a dark aesthetic account, you would go into elements and pick the square element, you change the color to black. I would make it bigger. I would go to transparency, and you can play around with the transparency. And position, you can put it forward, backward. I would just personally play around with it. But for the sake of this video, I'm just doing the cream aesthetic, so I'm going to delete this. Now you want to put the text somewhere in the middle of the screen because that's where your eyes are drawn to when you're scrolling on Instagram. I do want to put another text here because I want to explain how I grew my account in the caption. I would say read caption. Keep it simple. I would choose pink. Okay. There, how I grew my account. There you have it. Now you can go to add a page. Now, if you don't want the Pro version, I would recommend you to batch everything because you do have Canva for 30 days. Batching means you're just going to create everything all at once. There we have it. I'll do another one. This is nice, so I'll pick this one, okay? So video as background. So here I want to show you how to animate your text. So you're going to go text, add a text box. I want to make it bigger. It's easier to read, easier to see. How I exploded my reach to 200,000 views with 3 reels. Now I'm gonna go to effects first so you can see. Okay, now you want to animate. For example, if you want to animate your text, you go to animate and you can do the typing style. You can go here and play with the speed. If you do this, I do go a little bit faster because people don't have patience nowadays and they want to read as fast as they can. Here, read below. You go to effects. You can choose this to make your writing like this. You can play around with this. So I'm just gonna use this. I wanna keep it simple. Okay, there you have it. And here, delete this, oops. Here's where you can shorten your video. So you're gonna shorten everything. Now, once you're done batching your content, you wanna go into share to download your file. Once it's downloaded, it'll be downloaded to your computer, and there you have it. So what I personally do is I go and download the Canva app onto my phone, and I download the videos directly into my phone, and then I post it to my social media accounts. Make sure you stick around because in the next clip, I'm going to show you how to create a Faceless reel using directly just your phone in under 10 seconds. Hey guys, so on your phone, go to Google Chrome, enter in pixels.com. Now go into the videos option and search for aesthetic Faceless video. Just choose what you like and download it. Once it's downloaded, you can open it directly to Instagram as a reel. Now you can add your hook, and now you can add your audio and then your captions, and then you're done. Now, if you're someone that wants to save time, I did create 10 free reels for you to download. You can upload it as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever you'd like. And also, I have a bunch of other things in my description box as well. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments because I will create videos based on your questions. Thank you. See you next time.